And coming off a series of storms, we have another one to deal with. Hopefully that's no surprise to you. We've been talking about it for a while. Right now, though, nothing like that out there. We had nice clear skies this evening, or mainly clear. We actually had a little bit of cloudiness out there every once in a while. But for the most part, you can see it's a beautiful picture there on our sky view. Great visibility, so let's get to the rest of the forecast. And as we put everything in motion on the radar, you're going to see there's just nothing out there. So right now, temperature's 45, which isn't terribly below normal for this time of year. A little bit of a north-northwesterly wind that's coming off some fairly, mild water temperatures compared to everybody else. So as a result, it's staying a little milder right near the shoreline. I do expect most of us tonight to get down into the 30s. I probably should up this for the official temperature. Let's go more like 35 or so right again along the shoreline at Norfolk International, but most of us will be in the lower 30s. Breezy cold, just some mainly clear to partly cloudy skies. Notice those temperatures, as I said, dipping down almost everywhere into the 30s tonight. Mainly clear conditions, one system offshore, another one developing west of us. That means we're caught in between with a lot of sunshine tomorrow. High temperatures into the upper 40s to even near 50 degrees. There's the next system, though. We've been talking about this one for a few days and how it's going to have a mix of weather with it as it slides basically to the southeast. If this were a little stronger system, it would dive in and then sort of head off to the east or east-northeast. But with this sort of a trajectory, it's a really close call as to how much of our area gets the moisture. I'm still leaning toward the heaviest amounts in North Carolina and maybe even most, if not all of it, staying down there. First of all, the North American model had been calling for some very significant snow across the area. Now it has dropped. It is starting to trend a little more to the south. So that follows with what we had been thinking. We'll see if that trend continues. The GFS all along has said it's basically south and west of us. So overall, and that's assuming, that we even get some snow out of it. I think there's a good chance, like the last one, it'll be mainly, if not all, rain. So at this point, I would keep an eye on it. Watch us again tomorrow. Watch us over the weekend, Saturday morning. There's the European model. Keeps it way, way out of here. You can see gets up into parts of south side, but only as rain and keeps it to the south. So at this point, might not be a great weekend in terms of overall weather, but I wouldn't be a whole lot worried right now about any significant snows around here, any snows for that matter. Some high thin cloudiness moving through the area and moving off. So tonight, anywhere from around 32 or so inland to about 35 or 6 right near the coastline, partly cloudy. Breezy cold, tomorrow 49, chilly for this time of year. A lot of sunshine early, and then actually late in the day, I think there could be some clouds, even a sprinkle in the middle of the night Friday. Then on Saturday, only 43, about half the area maybe experiencing a chance of some rain with a slight chance of a mix. 45 on Sunday with a chance of rain early, but again, I think mainly North Carolina. And then finally the 60s return by Wednesday and Thursday.
I know you won't say it, but I think the groundhog was right, Jeff. All right. A little right. Thanks.
All right.